Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Radiation, we are looking at the ionizing penetration ability. So first is what is the penetration power? So when you talk about the penetration power, the gamma rays is greater than the X-rays. So the gamma is gamma rays, if you see, it is greater than that of the X-rays. Gamma is greater than the X-rays. This is greater than the beta particle, and this will be greater than that of the alpha particle. So it involves the helium ions. Next is we look at the ionizing or the tissue damaging ability. So we look at the ionizing. So ionizing or the tissue damage. The tissue damage ability. So this includes the alpha particle. The alpha particle is nothing but the helium. Alpha particle. This is nothing but the helium. And this is greater than the beta particle. This is greater than the gamma. X-rays. So X-rays. And this will be greater than the gamma rays. Now, when you look at the alpha waves has the highest molecular mass. So when you look at alpha waves, it has a highest molecular mass. Now let's recap what we did here. So penetrating power is very maximum in terms of the gamma rays. Gamma rays has a maximum penetration power, then followed by the X-rays, and then by the beta penetration, and then comes the alpha penetration. Next is looking at the ionizing and the tissue damaging ability. In tissue damaging ability, there is alpha, that is the helium, and this is greater than the beta particle. This will be greater than the X-rays, and this will be greater than the gamma rays. Now if you see the alpha waves, it is the highest in the molecular mass. It has the highest molecular mass. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.